Today we are going to learn about biomass organic fertilizer. Biomass organic fertilizer is a kind of organic fertilizer derived from biomass resources, such as cow, sheep, chicken feces, plant ash, kitchen waste after fermentation treatment, fruit shell residue, etc. Its application is of great significance for crop growth and soil improvement. Biomass organic fertilizer is rich in nutrient elements, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc., which can fully improve soil structure and increase soil organic matter content. It contains a large number of beneficial microorganisms, which can promote the activity of microorganisms in the soil. However, biomass organic fertilizer reduces the dependence on chemical fertilizers, reduces agricultural pollution, and is an environmentally sustainable form of fertilizer. So, how do you get it efficiently and economically? How to build a small, economical production line of powdered biomass organic fertilizer? Today, we will discuss this issue. I hope that my ideas will be helpful to friends who want a small-scale processing of powdered organic fertilizer. The first step is to choose the right ingredients, such as cow manure, chicken manure, sheep manure, horse manure, and so on. After fermentation, the manure is a very good source of raw materials. The second step is processing and production. After the completion of fermentation, the raw materials are crushed and screened by the crusher and screening machine to obtain the required powdered organic fertilizer finished product. Finally, the finished organic fertilizer is packaged and stored to ensure product quality and long-term preservation. Let's make organic fertilizer, use organic fertilizer, and protect our planets.